everybody, Jodie Jordan here. I am going to do another masculine card using the stamp set He's All That. Um, I used the stamp that I'm going to use today in a previous video for my paper pumpkin, but I felt like it was perfect for this paper. Towards the end of the video, I will hold the card up and you can see, but the paper has like a little map on it. So I thought that the compass symbol was perfect to match this. But I'm trying to do some masculine cards because Father's Day is coming up and you always need masculine cards. Now this card, the saying on the sentiment is every day with you is another adventure. I feel like that card could be a birthday card, a Father's Day card, an anniversary card. It's whatever you want to make it. I left the inside blank, so whenever I decide who I want to send this card to, I can stamp on the inside, the happy birthday or the Father's Day or, happy anniversary, whichever I choose. So, um, yeah, I think this is perfect for just any occasion for a man. I tend to make the men's cards. I think they're a little more like they're not blingy and they're not no bows and all that stuff on there. But I still feel like they look clean and nice with just a simple, layout. And that's what I'm doing here. So I'm just cutting everything. You don't have to worry about any of these measurements because there will be a PDF in the description below. That PDF is going to give you all the measurements, a photo, and it will give you like a list of all the supplies that I used in the video. Um, I wanted to tell everybody thank you for all the nice comments I've been getting and all the new subscribers and the shares. I really appreciate it. I'm trying to grow my channel. I'm just getting started with this. So even if you're a demonstrator, I appreciate it because, YouTube won't pick it up if somebody's not watching it. And so it helps me every day when you do that. So thank you very, very much. I wanted to also tell you if you're not a demonstrator and you are thinking about maybe wanting to order or maybe you want to know what's going on with me as far as when classes are, or maybe you want to know when the sales events are, or when I'm doing in-person events, or if you're local. Um, Also in the description below is a link that you can click and sign up to get on my email list. So speaking of sales, we do have one coming up Thursday, the 1st through the 30th of June, and that's going to be 15% off of the designer series paper. That's huge. I am definitely going to stock up on a lot of that. Now, that sale doesn't include all of the designer series papers, but most of them that are in this new catalog and some of the online exclusives uh, will be on sale. If you follow my Facebook page, I will create a post with those papers that are going to be on sale. So I'm finally getting pretty much everything ready to assemble. And I wanted to tell you that when I made this card, I always make two. I make one to practice. Sometimes I do it in, different paper, but this time I didn't. But when I made my first card, I used a different, I used the same set of dies, the stylish shapes, but I used a bigger circle. I did it by mistake, but at the end, I'm going to show you the two different cards and you can choose which one you like better and use that on your card. Now for the PDF, I did say the second largest circle, so that would be the card we're making now. Just wanted to kind of give you guys a heads up on that. But, you can choose whatever you want. I also wanted to say that just a tip that I've learned that whenever you do embossing, especially the 3D, you should probably use glue. And the reason why is because if you use the tape runner, sometimes the Stamp and Seal, it just because it's got the texture on there, sometimes it'll pop up. Where the glue, once it's down and you hold it down, it stays, it glues in place. So that's just a little tip, or that's what I do from experience. So um, the multi-purpose Tombow glue is perfect for this. So the camera does not do this twisted rope 3D embossing folder any justice because it is so nice. It is deep. It's a great impression. I love it. This is the second time that I've used it. Here's that paper that I was talking about that has the map on it. And I also use the all that dies. I used those in some previous videos too, and I can't say enough good things about those because they're returning from last year, but they give a really good deep impression and like even like I don't know how to explain it. Like there's like an edge around it inside of the die. I don't know. It's really a nice set of dies. I like it a lot. So here you want to put your Stampin' Dimensionals just on the left side and glue on the other. And that's just because the layer on the right is already raised up. So just to the glued side just kind of sit on there. And that's finished card. I think it's simple, but a nice looking card. I'm going to bring in the second card right here, and you can decide which one you like best. At first, I thought the one on the right, but now I'm like maybe the left. I don't know. I like them both. Leave me a comment and let me know which one is your favorite. Until then, I will have another video for you on Monday. Bye bye.